Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can play games and earn money in the FreeCash application. So there is a link in the description box if you want to start earning. You can click on that one and receive $5 bonus just by signing up. So let's get started. So in here, I have a lot of gaming offers. So we have the $288 just by playing that game. We also have here $30.21, $750, $2.93. So you just have to click on any games right here. There's a lot of games that you can choose. So in my account, I have already started a game, which is this one, the Love Water. So I'm just going to click on that one, and once I click on that one, as you can see, I have already completed two tasks. So I have opened and played a game, and I have completed the event one, and I have received $0.05 on that one. So just click on this one, and then you will be redirected to a page where you have to download the application. But in my case, I have already downloaded the application. So I'm just going to play on this one, and I can complete a lot more of events so I can receive and earn more money. So you can also do a lot of games right here. So you can just scroll there, you can browse, you can also take surveys, and you can also earn money on that one. So just continue playing the game and transfer the same color water in the same glass. And as you can see, I have won and completed this level. So that means I'm also going to be receiving points on my Cash App. So in this video, I'm also going to be showing you a proof of payment. So here are my withdrawals history, as you can see. So if I open this one, it will redirect me to a site like this one. So as you can see, I have received the $28.50. So here is an email I got from the Cash App. So you know it's really real. So in here is a live cash out. I'm going to show it to you. So here you have the withdrawal cash right here. You can withdraw it by PayPal, by also Bitcoin or crypto, by gift cards. So on this example, I'm going to be withdrawing it on my PayPal. So I'm going to click on that one. And you have a lot of options right here, but I'm going to withdraw $30. So I'm going to tap on this one and tap on withdraw at the bottom. And just like that, you have cash out the $30 on your PayPal account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!